Grandpa Bram? Grandpa Bram, I was just thinking when I was getting ready this morning, why do we have to brush our teeth every day? It takes so long.
That's a very important question, little one. It might seem like a chore sometimes, but brushing our teeth is like being a superhero for our mouths.
A superhero? What bad guys are in our mouths?
Well, not exactly bad guys with capes, but tiny little creatures called germs, or sometimes we call them bacteria. They are so small you can't even see them without a special looking glass.
Germs? Are they bad?
Some germs are okay, but the ones that like to live in our mouths can cause trouble if we don't brush them away. You see, when we eat yummy things, especially sweet things, tiny bits of that food stay in our mouths and on our teeth.
Like the little crumbs from my cookies?
Exactly. These little crumbs are like a tasty treat for those tiny germs. When the germs eat the food bits, they make something called acid.
Acid? Like the sour stuff?
Yes, a little bit like that. This acid is not good for our teeth because it can slowly eat away at the hard outer layer of our teeth. We call that layer enamel.
Our teeth can get eaten? That sounds scary.
It can be if we don't take care of our teeth. When the acid eats away the enamel, it can make little holes in our teeth. These holes are called cavities.
Ouch! Do cavities hurt?
They can. At first, you might not feel them, but if they get bigger, they can make your teeth very sore, especially when you eat hot or cold food. And sometimes you might even need to go see the tooth doctor, the dentist, to fix them.
I don't want holes in my teeth, and I don't want to see the dentist too much.
That's why brushing is so important. When we brush our teeth with toothpaste, it's like we're sweeping away all those leftover food bits and the germs before they can make too much acid.
So the toothbrush is like a little broom for my teeth?
That's a perfect way to think about it. And the toothpaste has special ingredients that help to clean your teeth and even make the enamel stronger so it's harder for the acid to hurt it.
So brushing makes my teeth strong?
It does. It helps keep them healthy and strong so you can keep eating all your favorite foods and have a beautiful smile.
But why do we have to do it twice a day? Once isn't enough?
That's a good question. You see, those little germs are always working and eating. Even after you brush in the morning, they start to come back and eat again after you eat your breakfast and lunch. So, brushing again. Before you go to sleep, make sure there isn't a lot of food and germs in your mouth all night long while you're sleeping.
Oh, I see. So it's like cleaning up after every meal for the germs?
Exactly. You're keeping your mouth a clean and healthy place for your teeth. And it's not just about cavities. Brushing also helps keep your gums healthy. Gums are the pink part around your teeth. If we don't brush, germs can also make our gums red and sore.
Sore gums? That doesn't sound fun either.
No, it's not. So brushing is really important for your whole mouth, your teeth, and your gums. It helps you have a happy smile, healthy teeth, so you can eat yummy food and fresh breath.
Fresh breath? Like when you use that minty toothpaste?
Exactly! So you see, brushing your teeth isn't just something we do because we have to. It's a way to take care of ourselves and keep our mouths healthy and happy. It's like being a superhero against those tiny tooth-eating germs.
Wow, Grandpa Bram! You made brushing sound like a big adventure. I'm going to go brush my teeth extra well tonight.
That's wonderful to hear, Nia. Remember, 2 minutes twice a day keeps the tooth troubles away. And maybe after you brush, we can read a story about a super sparkly smile.
Yes, please. That sounds perfect.